Hi all, and welcome to this week's Feature of the Week video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating our rectangular array tool. And this feature comes with our Naviate Accelerate line. With rectangular array, you can copy selected elements and copy them over in a rectangular pattern. And so to do so, hit the drop down under Families, click on Rectangular Array. From here, make a selection of elements which you would like to array. Click on Finish. Input the number and distance data for the rows, columns, and angle. If you would like to see a preview of your array, go ahead and click on Preview. Otherwise, click OK to complete the process.